one of the largest and most legendary diamonds in the world. Taken after the annexation of Punjab, 1849. Presented to Queen Victoria. Currently part of the British Crown Jewels. Belonged to Tipu Sultan, who fiercely resisted British rule. Looted after his death in 1799 during the siege of Seringapatam. Displayed in British collections as a war trophy. A 7-foot-tall bronze Buddha from the Gupta period, 5th century. Taken from Bihar by British engineer. Now displayed in the Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery. One of the largest metal Buddha statues ever discovered. Ancient Buddhist sculptures from Amravati Stupa, Andhra Pradesh. Removed and shipped to Britain in the 19th century. Now in the British Museum. India lost an entire Buddhist narrative tradition through this removal. Looted after the British takeover of the Sikh Empire. Included royal furniture, weapons, jewels, and court object. Distributed among British museums and private collections. Crafted from jade and precious stones. Associated with Shah Jahan, currently in British collections. Symbolize Mughal luxury and craftsmanship. Silks, shawls, turbans, and ceremonial garments. Often taken from royal courts after annexations. Many remain uncredited or vaguely labeled as colonial acquisitions. Thousands of Sanskrit, Persian, and Arabic manuscripts. Miniature paintings, religious icons, and temple objects. Housed mainly in the British Library and British Museum. A life-size mechanical tiger mauling a European soldier. Commissioned by Tipu Sultan as anti-colonial symbolism. Looted after the fall of Seringapatam, 1799. Now housed at the Victoria and Albert Museum, London. 89-carat diamond once embedded in a Shiva temple. Removed after British intervention in Hyderabad. Passed through British hands and private European collector. One of India's sacred jewels turned commodity. Belonged to Wajid Ali Shah. Looted after the annexation of Awadh, 1856. Included diamonds, pearls, ceremonial arms. Many vanished into private British collections. Belonged to the Maratha Peshwas. Taken after British victory over the Marathas, 1818. Includes swords, shields, armor, court items. Symbols of Maratha sovereignty. Texts on astronomy, mathematics, medicine, navigation. Removed by colonial administrators and scholars. Stored in the British Library. Many remain untranslated and inaccessible to Indians.